let's go to Quebec City.
Okay, so most people pack a suitcase. This is a bike, and it folds down to the size of a suitcase. This is Toronto, and in about 20 minutes it's not going to matter because I'm hopping a train to Quebec City. From there, let Train de Charlevoix, because apparently the best way to see the coastline is by rail. And end of the line is Baie-Saint-Paul.
We're going on an adventure to Quebec. Let's go! If you've never traveled with a Brompton before, it's pretty clutch.
First time doing it. But this is just the beginning. Welcome aboard, literally. This is the adventure. And the full video is coming soon.
Alright, let's get on this train and have this happen.